Early morning in Oakland set the stage for something pretty incredible. A sleek electric air taxi from Joby Aviation lifted off smoothly from the runway at Oakland International Airport. At the controls was Andrea Pingatore, guiding the aircraft straight up before heading out over the water with a calm, steady climb. As the flight continued, the aircraft reached the coastline and turned north, gliding past the stunning Marin headlands. In the background, the skyline of San Francisco stretched out, creating a view that's hard to beat. What really stood out, though, was how quiet everything was. Instead of the usual roar of engines, the electric motors just hummed softly as the air taxi cruised past the iconic Golden Gate Bridge and completed its loop. And when you think about the usual traffic situation down below, it makes this feel like a completely different world. Packed bridges and slow-moving freeways are the norm, often turning short trips into long, frustrating drives. This is exactly the problem Joby is trying to solve, turning those long commutes into quick, smooth flights that feel almost effortless. This moment didn't just happen overnight. The company has put in years of work to get here, with its test fleet already flying more than 50,000 miles across thousands of flights. These aircraft are built with a clear focus on safety, keeping noise levels low for people on the ground, and delivering reliable performance. And during that Bay flight, it really showed. Everything worked together seamlessly as the aircraft moved with precision. Now, things are starting to scale up. The 2026 Electric Skies Tour is underway, and this same aircraft will be traveling to cities across the country, giving more people a chance to see it up close. The goal is simple: show how this technology could fit into everyday life without needing massive new infrastructure. There's also momentum on the regulatory side. Joby has been selected for a program backed by the White House that could allow early operations across multiple states, including places like Arizona and Utah. Once the remaining certifications and agreements are in place, these flights could start sooner than you might expect. In fact, they've already flown an aircraft that meets federal requirements and are preparing for more official test flights with authorities before the end of 2026. At the same time, production is ramping up in a big way. A massive new facility is under construction in Dayton, covering around 700,000 square feet, and designed to eventually produce hundreds of these aircraft every year. Additional sites in California are also part of the plan. The target is to reach a production rate of about 4 aircraft per month by 2027, as the network for these air taxis slowly starts to come together.